Having a coffee to start a pleasant day? But suddenly, facing a case without internet on their devices and the need for it to be resolved immediately? Ruining your morning coffee by having to drive for hours, wasting time and money. Back to the office and to my cold coffee. Fortunately, this time it has a local Ethernet network environment. Ugh! But a firewall and complex router settings? Finally, it's the end of the busy day. Are you kidding? Spread across the mountains and the need to collect all of their data? Exhausted and frustrated? Yes. But hopeless? Definitely not, because FATEK can help. Systems without Ethernet? FATEK can help. Complex firewall and router settings? FATEK can help. Devices distributed everywhere? Oh, just simply introduce IoT with the FATEK PLC? Replacing the IoT gateways, saving space and money. FATEK definitely can help. FATEK can help. Securely collect and store data from everywhere. Easily monitor, access, and maintain from everywhere. Anytime, with any device. Having a coffee to start a great day with FATEK. Sure, of course. Oh, and time to have my sandwich.